What if the objects around you, plants, insects, even your own body, were made of tiny building blocks invisible to the eye? This incredible discovery began with Robert Hooke. Born in 1635 in England, Robert Hooke was a true scientific genius, working in physics, biology, astronomy, and engineering. He became one of the leading minds of the scientific revolution and served as curator of experiments at the Royal Society. In 1665, Hooke published his famous book Micrographia, where he used a microscope to observe tiny structures in nature. While examining cork, he discovered small box-like compartments and called them cells, a term still used in biology today. Hooke also made major contributions to physics. He discovered Hooke's law, which explains how springs stretch, showing that force is proportional to extension. This became a fundamental principle in mechanics. His curiosity didn't stop there. Hooke studied light, proposed ideas about gravity before Newton, and even improved scientific instruments like microscopes and clocks. Though often overshadowed by other scientists, Robert Hooke's discoveries shaped modern science from physics to biology, making him one of history's most important yet underrated scientists. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.